Hello?
Hi, Ben.
Hello.
How are you? How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. How is LA?
It's okay.
When did you know that you wanted to, or you were an artist?
Probably when I was 5 or 6.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yeah, I've been drawing and painting. Like, I've been making abstract paintings since I was like 8 years old.
What type of paintings do you do in the studio?
Like altered photograph painting, I guess.
Nice. I like your pants.
Thank you.
Did you make them?
I did, yeah, with a bleach and a sponge that I cut in a circle. It's kind of similar to this.
Yeah, true.
In a way, yeah. This orbs painting came a little bit after the flowers.
Uh-huh.
It's my own photography, actually using a microscope, sort of reminiscent of like UFO photography or spirit photography, but it's actually shining like a microscope light through a series of crystals. This is the one that Acne Studios used for the show.
How would you describe the thing that you're interested in?
I would say the unknown, like the supernatural and different realms, planes of existence.
What do you use for paint?
Watercolor. I've been using watercolor for like 4 or 5 years in a very non-traditional manner. I can't get away from using the rainbow. Like, I just can't not use every single color, and I've been trying to figure out why that is. Just
Why?
every part of the visible spectrum is sort of represented. I feel like if I was leaving something out, then it would be incomplete.
Do you use any technique to start working?
Sometimes the work starts more ritualistically with like some meditation, and with the star work, it's basically a constant meditation where the star reticulates, like it moves outwards and sort of pulsates and tells me what to do with it. A lot of what I'm trying to do with my art is manifest some sort of representation of that thought or feeling that in a way is abstracted and unphysical, but finding ways to sort of interpret that. That's in a way that I can come back to it and look at it.
For all of these, they start basically at this point, and then they go out. And then after I go all the way out, I'll bring it back into the center.
What do you feel when you look at the star?
I feel like I'm not here.
Where are you?
In between worlds or dimensions or something. It's sort of like a tunnel, I guess, like a wormhole in a way.
How many stars there is in the sky?
As many as you can perceive, I guess.